Meet the cuckoo. This bird does not build its own nest. Instead, it secretly lays its egg in another bird's nest and flies away. But here is the big question. What if the other bird finds the strange egg and throws it out? This is where it gets scary. The cuckoo mother does not go far. She hides nearby and watches the nest. If she sees her egg is gone, she comes back and destroys the other bird's babies. Scientists call this Mafia behavior. It is like a threat. Take care of my baby, or I will destroy your nest. Because of this, many small birds get scared. They accept the strange egg and raise the baby. They work very hard to feed it, even if it is much bigger than them. They do this just to keep their own nest safe. It is one of the strangest ways an animal survives.